Alright, I'm here at 9th and Mulberry, and there's still a decent flow of water. I want to say maybe about a foot or so deep along the edges, and then I'm standing on dry land here. It's a little bit higher, but the next block south is looks like it's got even more water flowing on it. So this is 317 2019 in North Bend, Nebraska, after the levee broke. It's about 11 o'clock right now. People are in town, but they still got the highway blocked off. Being told that manhole covers are popped off, so if you are driving in the water, be careful so you don't drop in a manhole cover.
Hey guys, we're in North Bend, Nebraska, and we're gonna try to have a little bit of fun today. See if we can kayak down one of my streets near my house. So hopefully this is fun. See how it goes. Okay, not very deep. We're trying it though. Looks like we can only stay right in the corners. Can't get out in the middle. It's still not deep enough, so. Nope, don't look like it's deep enough on this street, so go to the next street and try that one. Looks like it's definitely deep enough to try here, so we're gonna put in. We're gonna see if we can get some kayaking going. Definitely deep enough. All right. Did you get in the other day when you were trying to get in? Gotcha. Yeah, it's definitely deeper a couple blocks down. Kayaking down the street here in North Bend, Nebraska. You don't see this every day. You kind of see that car, you had it up to probably up to the bumper on that car. I don't know how far we're gonna be able to make it. Definitely getting shallower the farther we go this way. So, oh, looks like we got some rapids coming up over here. Looking good. There we go, going down the rapids now. Just like we're in the Platte River. She's flowing good here. All right, now we got some flowage. All right, got to another spot. We're gonna try to go up it this time. Oh yeah. Still got some pretty good flowage here on 8th Street. About 8th and Mulberry, we're here. She's still flowing pretty good down the street. Woo! Well, it wasn't super deep, but got a little bit of kayaking action down the street. We're gonna head back, check out the footage, see how it went. Looks like everybody's pumping water out of their basements right now. You can kind of see the line where it got up to them guys is almost to their front door. Didn't quite make it though. got water pumping out of theirs. So I'm gonna go back, edit the footage.
Hey everybody. Yeah, I just got done checking everything out in town. Did a little bit of fun kayaking. That was pretty cool. You don't get to do that every day at down the streets of your town. So just give you a quick update on the stuff that's going on. The water has been contaminated here in North Bend. So if you live in North Bend, they don't want you to be using any of your appliances like dishwasher, washing machine, because it's backing up into people's houses. So if you guys like what I'm doing, hit the like button, subscribe. Most of my stuff's going to probably be fishing, probably some hunting, but I couldn't pass up this opportunity to let you guys know about the flooding that we have in town. So like I said, smash that subscribe button and stay tuned, some more videos. Hopefully each one gets better. Thank you.